Hi, welcome to today's tutorial. This is TC Graphic. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to design this awesome conference flyer. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that within a very short time, and just step by step how I did it, both the background and how to create all this custom shape and everything you've been wanting to learn. So stay with me as I show you how to do it. But before then, I just need just a minute of your time. Can you please go ahead and subscribe, you my first time viewers? Okay, and for those of you that have subscribed already and do comment and like my videos, I appreciate you a lot. You are the reason why I keep showing up here. All right, so when I see you people liking my videos, commenting and saying nice things, it gives me this fulfilling spirit, and I try to come out and teach more. All right, so I do appreciate it when you like my video so that other people will see it. Okay, so when you like a video, it will help YouTube algorithm to push it to others. All right, thank you so much. As you do that, do well to subscribe, and may God bless you as you do it. Okay, so let's go ahead and start the tutorial now. Okay, the shape, the size of your canvas is just the same thing, so you don't need to change anything. So you go ahead and start bringing in your background. Okay, you're gonna click on gradient. Let me show you. This is gradient. So when you click there, you're gonna select this third one. Sorry, is this second one actually? Select the second one. After selecting it, you click here. Okay, you click there. I'm trying to show you how I created this color. When you click there, then you click this place. All right, so you click here, and then for your own now, so you're gonna click here. All right, this pencil, so you click there, and if this is the color code I have, 53221B. I always take this. Okay, so you copy it down. So when it comes to your own, you just come and type it here. After typing, you click this OK here. Okay, you click this OK. All right, then you click OK again down. So you have successfully added this color. So when you are done with that, you come here and click that one again. Click here, then touch this one again. Just almost the same process, but we want to add another color now. So click at that pencil icon again and type this color code 400 in your own. Now this is not what it's going to be, so you have to clear it. You have to touch and clear it off, then type this. Okay, and type OK and type this. You have exactly this color I have here. Okay, all right. So when you have this, next thing you're going to do is to import your background. So I'll go ahead and click touch this place. So touch here and click import. It will take you to your gallery, and then you go ahead and import wherever you want to import. So I'll bring in this. Okay, so when you bring in this, how to crop this out. Of course, this is not a church conference, so but there's something I want to have, that stage stuff. That's what I need. Okay, how to crop off those ones. Okay, so that's okay. Crop it off like this, and then I can just enlarge. Okay, so increase the size a little bit, and then you're good to go. So make a copy so that it will retain. So you can gonna delete this, and we'll have something like this. Okay, nice one. So we can come here and reduce the opacity a little bit. Okay, you have something like this. Does that make sense? So you reduce it like this, so that you have this awesome background. Okay, you are reducing the opacity so that when you start putting in your text, it will not interfere. Okay, if you leave it that way, when you start writing your text, we will not see it. It won't look mature. All right, so I have it like this. So I'll go ahead and lock it. Okay, all right. Nice. So what I'm going to do again is to create a shape, just white shape like this, and that's all. So I'm going to bring this one down a little bit. So this one like this. Good. Just relative position, so that's nice. So you lock it. Okay. So next thing you're going to do again is to click this sticker. Click there. So once you have clicked this place, don't do anything. Let me teach you very well. Once you click that sticker, don't touch this. Don't click any good here. The only thing you're going to do is to just come and ignore everything here and touch this canvas. Just touch here. Alright, so that's the only way you retain this stuff you have here. Alright, so if you click this OK, it's going to disappear. So after doing that, just touch here. So you can see I still have it. So increase the size a little bit and go to color. And leave it like this. Is color I'm going to use. Just click color, you have it like this. For those that don't know, if this is the color code, in case if your one is not, just type this and you have it. Alright, so we'll have something like this now. Okay, so it's what I have. Good. So we are creating this uniformity, okay, so that you don't just have one. So the background will look like much more matured. Okay, so and you should know that you have to take it to back. Okay, back. I think this one should come here. So this one now, we can just distort it a little bit and then reduce the opacity. Okay, that's why when you have a background like this, you'll be looking awesome and you're wondering how they do this. The Pixellab, so many people do ask me, how do you do this? Your lab. After this, I'm going to create this. I'm not going to show you how to create this custom shape. Okay, so you have something like this. Okay, so come to reduce, and then alright, so you can come to crop. That's something I want to do. Okay, let's do like this. That's how to create a custom shape now. Like some of all the shape, when you see them, you start asking how did they do it? It's having this curved edge. Wondering if this will make more sense. Okay, now come to let's check stroke. Just about stroke. Okay, I'm gonna use black now. I'm using stroke so that it will be visible downward here. Okay, so that's just the idea, nothing again. So I can make a copy of it and put it here, and then make a copy of this one and put it here. It's too big, so I'll reduce the size again. So I'll make a copy again and I'll put it here. Okay, good. So I'll touch this one and I'll go to my first of all let me walk. So we're going to change the color of this one. Alright, so so let me show you the color code. Okay, so you can see it's E69A46. so that's the color code I'm using for this one. Alright, so you can click the second one again. Yes, that's the color, and use the same color. So I'm coming to the other one later. Alright, so here, so let's bring in the picture. Let's bring in the picture and just put on top. I think that's much more better. Okay, so I'm gonna place this one on top of this. So at this point you're gonna use your zoom, position it properly. Alright, so you're gonna use your pen tool, your move tool, and but before then you have to make a copy of that because the quality has reduced already. Okay, so bring it down and make sure that it's aligned perfectly. You can see I'm still seeing something like yellow color down, so how to move it down again. Perfect. So at this point you now go to your color filter and saturation is okay 4. So brightness we can take it down, then contrast. Okay, so you're having something like this. Nice, good. So you can take your zoom back. So that's what we have. Okay, that's how I did this one. So you can just go ahead and lock it. Alright, so that I don't shift. Okay, so before then, let's just get this alignment. Use your grid line. Alright, use your grid line. So use your grid line and then okay, this one. So you move it and make sure that you have the same height. You align your tools, your elements. Alright, good. So I'll go ahead and bring in the second image import. Bring in the second image. You just locate where it is in your phone and bring it in. So at this point I'm going to use this. Go to crop and make use of this. Okay, so reduce the size. Okay, so at this point when you have it like this, so you're going to make a copy. Okay, is it looking that's what I'm planning to do. So you have to reduce it like this, then go to crop. Okay, nice. Okay, I can crop it down again. Okay, so at this point now make a copy of it, delete this one and bring it like this. So at this point you're going to use your zoom. Zoom out and it is positioned already with my free hand. Wow, this is nice. So just make sure it's okay. It has to go up a little bit again. You don't need to be seen any. Perfect. So it's better like this. So you just come here and go to your filter, color filter. Okay, come to brightness and reduce a little bit, and then come to contrast. Okay, perfect. Alright, lock it and take this down. Okay, so let's try this again. So I want to bring in the last image now. Okay, to bring in the last image. So you can see, so this is the last image I have. So I want to do something like this. Okay, I want to make it fitting like this. Okay, just fit it in, set it perfectly. So I'd have used that texture style, but I'm trying my best not to make this video long too much. If not, I'll show you how to do that. Just devise a means and we do it, and that's all. You can see it's still perfect like this. Nobody will find out. Nobody will find out. Okay, it's still perfect. So, and it's even much more better. You can see the design, the way it's looking, popping out of the shape. Isn't that awesome? Great. So you come here and work on the picture as well. Or color filter, saturation, reduce the brightness a little bit, then come to your contrast and great. You see, it's shining and popping. Wow, this is great. All right, so we'll go ahead to the next thing we have. So we are done with picture alignment. Okay, so we come here and we'll mark this and this. So I want to shift that shape a little bit. So I'm going to pick my test tool now and right, mastering networking conference. Okay, so so when you reach here, you go to your font. Okay, go to your font, come here. So we're going to use Montserrat bold. Okay, good, perfect. So we're going to work on the spacing. Good. So we want to work on this one again. It's the same spacing, but all right. So this is what we have. All right. So when we want to look at the color now, go to color. That's something I'm going to teach us now. We come to color. Okay. So this is what I'm selecting. So come here. Just take it down to like this. Okay. It down like this. So that's the color I'm using. In case if you cannot get it by yourself, I'll just show you the color code is FBECFF. So that's this color code I have. Perfect. Good. So you have it like this. Mastering networking conference. So we are going to come here and form a shape. Okay. So you have it like this. And apply your radius small. Okay. So you have it like this. Okay, we're moving. So once you have it like this, lock it and then lock this one. Pick your text tool right and eye opening session. Opening session. Good. And so the color is going to be this. So that color used. So go to font and just use a decent Montserrat font as well. You can use Montserrat bold. Good. So it will be visible enough. An eye opening session. Great. So that's what I want to do. I'll just move the two down a little bit. Move it down a little bit. So, and everything here, including this. So I want to move them down. Okay. So great. So I'm gonna come here now. Write time. Okay. What's today's date? 17th. This is 17th of June. Sorry, 17th of February, right? February 2024. Sorry, 2024. Okay, So let's assume I have something like this. I have it like this, and then I'm gonna come to alignment, and I have something like this. Okay, so I'll bring this one down like this. Let's take this arrangement 17th. Okay, I have it like this. So go to font and use this font, the same font. Okay, Montserrat. Okay, so good. So we'll have it like this. 17th what? 17th February 2024. You can see how you start creating some design. Nobody will show you this. Nobody will show you this kind of design, Pixellab. So I just say let me take my time and teach us here, so that you start doing or something. So come to this place, shape. If you are still watching at this point and you have not subscribed, I wonder if you are getting something valuable from someone. The only thing you can do to endorse the person is just like it and subscribe. It helps, and you don't even spend anything doing that. You just with your free heart shows that you have a good heart. Thank you. Please go ahead and subscribe. So come to opacity and reduce it to 0. Good. Somebody say good. So come to stroke and just one stroke, and go to color and make it white. That's the color of the stroke now. And come here again, go to your reduce and make the reduce maybe like 3. Okay, 4. And let's take it 4, and you have this nice one. Nice. So just work on it like this. Okay, so you have this one again. Can you see what you're doing? This is great. Can someone say this is awesome? All right. Okay, so you pick your text tool again, and you're coming here and you're gonna write. You're now writing address, so we just write. I just pick any random address. I just write Guarampa Estate. Guarampa Estate. Okay, Estate. Caladima Junction. Okay, let's do like this number. This not. Let's say number 24. This address doesn't exist. Akizola. Okay, let's say Akizola Street. Akizota Street. Guarimpa Estate, Galadima Junction. Okay, or Galadima Gate. Okay. The one that doesn't exist is actually 24 Akintola Street, but Guarimpa Estate, Galadima Gate exists. Galadima Gate. Do say. Is it to say Galadima Gate? Okay. FCT. Guarimpa. FCT Abuja. FCT. Alright. FCT Abuja. Alright. Wow, I've formulated a wonderful. So make the color black, please, so that you can see it. Alright. Good. So you go to your font and use a decent font. The same Montserrat I'm using. Montserrat. So at this point I'm going to use, let's say, Montserrat medium now. For those of you that don't know how to install all these fonts, this normal fonts, you don't have it, your Pixellab will download it. Go down, check my videos. I have videos on how to download all these fonts and how to install it, and you start making use of them in your Pixellab. Because if you just download Pixellab, you will not be able to see all these fonts I'm using. So go down to my videos, introduction to Pixellab, how to download fonts and all that, explore. Okay, so have it like this. Okay, this is the address now. Okay, nice one. Okay, so that's something I want to do again. Okay, let me make that stuff. Can I make a capital letter outro? I think it's better like this. Okay, so come to this shape and I want to do something like this. So just to form a shape. So the color of that shape is going to be black. Okay. Okay, so good. So just we pick our text tool again and you write. You see how all this okay, say this okay, let's say from 4 p.m. to let's say 9 p.m. Is it true? This is conference, this is not church service. Okay, let's say 4 a.m. What am I saying? Okay, let's say 9 a.m. 9 a.m. So 12. Yes. 12 p.m. Okay? Yes. That's good. So the color is black as well. And then we're gonna do something like this. So font is Montserrat bold. Okay, so and then you're gonna take it like this. Whoa, it is not awesome, people. This is great. I wonder what you are doing outside this channel. Nobody will show you, take time to show you a kind of flyer like this. All right, so there's something I'm gonna do again. I'm gonna bring in the location icon. Okay, we'll just go ahead and import it. So here it is. So I'm gonna bring it in. Let's reduce it a little bit and then bring it here. Of all my days in graphic design, I have not come across a channel that took time to design something like this. It's always short time designs. I'll search to see some tricks. Pixellab, I will not see. I'll be frustrated dead. So I'll come here. I want to align all this, okay? I want to align all this. So I'm taking my time to show you how to carry out all this. Make sure you align all your elements, okay? Align all your elements. At the mastering, align it properly as well. Align it properly. Okay. These other two ladies, okay? Align them properly. I'm teaching you how to group elements and merge them. And move them once. You can do that with your Pixellab. Some of you frustrate yourself with merging so that you can move it, and then after moving, when your client says correct this, you start crying. Stop crying again. Stop merging all your works. Okay, don't do it again. Don't merge your work again, and you're gonna enjoy your Pixellab. All right, so you don't need to merge before you can move two elements. I remember those days, my early days in design. I always measure my tools, and when they say correct, you start quarreling. When your client says correct this, you feel like watching the person because you know you're going to start afresh. Alright, so we see what we have. This is awesome. So I'm going to create something again, and this shape again, and I'll bring it here. Bring it here. Okay, move like this. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, so see what I have. I'll work on it again here. So I'm gonna come to reduce. So and again I'll come to this gradient. So I'm gonna use this gradient pattern. Okay, I'll click here and I'm gonna use this. Sorry, that's the one I did. Okay, let me just pick it, this color. Okay, and I have it. Then this one I'm gonna pick from my background. Sorry, of this type here. Okay, so I have something like this. Good. I don't like it, so this one should be red, more red. So that's the idea. Okay, should make it more red again. So as a designer, you should know how to make choices. Okay, learn how to reject your own work. Don't always approve it. After doing it, just hiss and I don't like this and do it again. And you love what you're going to produce. Okay. I'm trying to have fun like this now. Let me work on this again. Okay. Perfect. So you have it like this. Okay, so we're gonna pick this. Sorry. Make sure you lock your work so you don't cry. Okay. So I'm gonna make a copy of this and I'll write Prince Nonso. Prince Nonso. Okay. Prince Nonso. Okay. So at this point, this one is going to be white. It's white. Okay, so go to your spacing and space it out. Perfect. Tell you what nobody will tell you. This is great. So I'm going to pick your text tool and now write host. 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 Okay, the font for this particular host is let's use orthography. Nice. That's what I'm gonna do with it now. Go to shadow so that it will be visible. Go to shadow, do this, and this will blur it to take it to 0. Okay. Alright, so you can see it is visible now because I know it's gonna come and pass through that white background. So this is the only way it can be visible. Perfect. So I have this. Alright, so we'll continue our work. Okay, so I'm gonna pick this. Okay, let's say Prince Nonso. I'll pick it now and I'll write. So we're gonna make it, the color is gonna be black now. Okay, let's bring it here and write for more info call. For more info call. Okay, plus 234 806. Okay, 876543 65. I believe this is number or email at or email. I hope okay, I said John Maxwell at Gmail. John Maxwell at gmail.com. Is anybody happy with this tutorial? At gmail.com. I hope you have given it a thumbs up. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna go to size and reduce it. The color is it black already? It's black. Alright, so there's something we're gonna do. So come to this your shape and then reduce opacity to 0 so that you see what you're doing. Okay, perfect. So come to reduce just like 2. Come to gradient and apply this. That's this. Oh, sorry. You have to apply your stroke first, and the gradient stroke is what you are going to use this. Perfect. So that's what you have. Okay. So perfect. So this your shape. You're going to move it a little bit to align with this one. Okay, and this your text as well. Move it. Perfect. So see what you have now. So there's something I'm gonna do. We'll put this host prisoner so and and this guy and this guy. So I want to take them down so that you have balance. We want to achieve balancing. So this is what we'll have. Okay. So perfect. So we're done with this. So what we're gonna write again is brought to you by John Maxwell Group. Brought to you by we can write font. The font is that one is it's not good, so we're gonna use this Montserrat. Sorry, this Montserrat medium brought to you by make a copy. John Maxwell Group. John Maxwell Group. Okay. Make a calculator. And you're good to go. Make the font this. The font should be Montserrat Gold, and just make it bigger, and that's all. Okay. And again, you can write names of this individual here. So you can pick this one and write. Say Esther. Login. Okay. This lady. Font size. The font you're going to use is orthography. Great. So make a copy and write this one. James Williams. James Williams. Okay, that's his name. Alright. So use this padding and bring out the text properly. James Williams. Okay. Alright, so there's something I want to put here again. So I'm taking my time to show you all this. Okay, so that you can just go ahead and do that project, that complex project that we've been trying to know how to do it, by just watching YouTube video. And each time you finish watching, it seems like you did not watch. So I'm doing this so that you'll be able to do that project now and collect your money. All right. Okay. So I'll make a copy of this other one. I'll bring it here. Inspired wallet 2023 2024. Okay, let's say 2024. Sorry. Oh. Okay. So, John Maxwell. Make a copy, then write conference. Okay. Make it bigger size. Okay, bigger. Okay, sorry. Alright, so this is it. Wow, this is nice. This is nice. This inspired with how I do the size small. Perfect. Whoa, this is great. So when you're done, you now come. Okay, let me move this down and 17. Sorry, this and this. And now move it down. Great. So I want to move only this one again. This and this. So that it look like this. Perfect. Good. So we are done at this point. So if you have not subscribed, I wonder. Okay, the only way you support me to keep giving you maximum and premium value on this channel is to subscribe, share it, and like. Thank you so much. So for those of you that don't know how to save, you click here, click save, and select your ultra dimension, and you click here and you have saved. Thank you so much, and goodbye for now. See you next time.